this video, I'm going to show you how to use text to columns option in MS Excel. So this option is used for converting the text data into column format. So I have made up this text data. So here it goes. First we need to select the range, whichever you want to convert the text into column format. And then after selecting the range, we need to click on data and then click on text to columns, and in that we can see we have many options over here like tab, semicolon, comma, space, and also we can customize. Sometimes it is needed. Mostly this is used for a huge kind of data, so we mostly use the customize option so that it would be clear enough to organize in a proper format. So over here we have book, author, and price. So I want the books should be in different column, author name should be in different column, and the price should be in different column. So I just want to split this up into different columns. So over here I'm going to choose space option. So as you can see, after selecting the space option, everything got split up. So now I'm going to click on apply, and as you can see, books are in one column, author is in one column, and the prices list is also in another column. So this is simple, right? Instead of typing each and every data in each and every cell, instead of wasting time, we can simply use this text to columns option. It's easy, more especially when we have a huge kind of data. It's easy to use this option so that the work would get better. Let's try with another example. So over here I have another kind of data over here. So what am I going to do is that Control Shift down arrow is going to select what all the data is available in each and every cell, and then I'm going to click on data and then click on text to columns. So as you can see, when I click on space, the data is split into columns. Sales in different columns, profits, assets, turnover, profit margin, and ROA. So this is simple, right? Instead of typing each and everything in each and every cell, it's waste of time. And this option is pretty epic, I feel. So I'm going to click on apply, and voila, the data got split up into different columns. Cool. So this is how we use text to column option. So this is simple, right? We don't have to waste our time when we have a huge kind of data. So this is really I think this is really epic option, I feel. So that's it. this is how the video ends over here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See ya.